Hi, I'm Jonathan with Starfire Direct. You know, when installing a gas log set or an H-burner in a fireplace, sometimes you'll find that your installation is a little bit different than what the factory was intending. So some common parts that I like to stock in my toolbox that help me on my installations, I'd like to share with you today so it can help you with your installation as well. First and foremost, an elbow can be your best friend. This is a 90-degree street elbow. And what's nice is a lot of times when the gas line is on the left or the right side of the fireplace, it's coming out straight. So if this is your gas line and you're trying to connect an end fitting to the end of that, it can actually protrude out into the fireplace a little too far. So by adding a 90 or a street 90 and angling it down towards the back of your fireplace, so it makes it a lot more discreet and gives you a little bit more flexibility and room inside your fireplace for your gas log set. Most gas log sets or H-burners are going to include either a 3/8 or 1/2 inch gas line. Sometimes you might need to adapt your fittings in order to make it work with the flex line that's included. So here is a couple examples, and you can see that the 3/8 is smaller than the 1/2 inch, and this allows you to connect two flex lines together. You can see that it's flared on both sides. Okay, but what if your gas line is 3/8 on one side and 1/2 inch on the other? Well, this won't work. So what I have here is a 3/8 inch flared fitting and a 1/2 inch flared fitting. But you can see that on the end of the 3/8 fitting, I have a NPT threaded male end, and on the 1/2 inch flared fitting, I have a female NPT fitting. So I can actually connect these together like so, and now I have a 3/8 inch flared to 1/2 inch flared. Now, I don't need this all the time, but sometimes I do, so it's handy to have these different fittings in my toolbox. Most fiberglass H-burners or gas log burners are reversible. So no matter what side your gas line is on in your fireplace, you can usually change the fittings in order for it to work on either side. But sometimes if you go with a remote system or a safety pilot system, it's pre-attached, but if your gas line is on the opposite side, what do? Well, that's when a whistle-free flex line really comes into play. It's really simple to actually run your gas line down to the back of your fireplace and around to the other side of the burner, connecting it on the opposite side. So you don't want to sit there trying to remove the remote control system and swap it if it's going to be more of a hassle. It's much easier just to install it with a longer flex line and run that behind your burner system. That's why I like to carry different size flex lines for different size fireplaces. They're available in 18, 24, 30, and 36 inch lengths on our website. So these are always handy to have in my tool bag. Well, the main takeaway is not to get discouraged if your particular gas log set or H-burner didn't hook up right. Just remember that we have parts and hoses and fittings that can help adapt it to work for your particular fireplace. Of course, our sales and customer service line is available to help you, so give us a call. We're more than happy to help walk you through your particular installation. If this video was helpful, make sure to fire up the like button and subscribe to get updates on all new videos.